so grateful, especially PA. So thank you so much. Nagpa-party ako. Okay. Pastor, I just want to respond to your word earlier because it's a good reminder because sometimes we tend to wear many hats, right? It depends on where you are. So when you're at home, you put your hat as a wife or mother and all that. And then when you're at work, you put your hat as a manager or whatever your position is. So I think that's a good reminder that you always wear your hat as a...
Again, the last word.
Hello? Okay.
Wear the hat.
So, it's very important to wear your hat as a disciple of Christ. And hindi ako masyadong ready. So, I was telling them, if you work with me on every event, I always have this, what we did wrong or what can we improve on. So, I always have the list. Okay, so I have 3 points. Yes, my 3 points. Okay, first is when we learned about the problem, the first resort is we pray. So our team prayed led by Adelina. So as you know, that's a very natural response as a follower of Christ to pray, right? So that's the manifestation of our foundation to Christ because we know what we need to do first. And then second is